Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to transfer data from a flash drive to a PC or from a PC to a flash drive. Here's my flash drive. Now I'm inserting it into the USB port on my computer. There. And now we can see on the computer that I've connected the flash drive. Let's open the flash drive. Here. Open my computer and here's our flash drive. We can open it and transfer files by dragging them to the desktop or move data to the flash drive. For example, let's move this file to the flash drive and now it's on the flash drive. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.